I'm 18. I don't have any employees. I don't have an office. And I built a fully functional AI assistant that runs all of my research, connects to my email, and executes all of my tasks just from my laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI and how I built it to run my AI automation agency. If you're sleeping on this stuff, you're already behind. My name's De'Aaron. I'm 18 and I run DA Scales, an AI automation agency where I help businesses put their operation on autopilot using AI. The idea is simple. Most businesses are still doing things manually that AI can handle, like leads, follow ups, content research, customer communication. All of it can be automated with AI. And that's what I built for these businesses. Now, I'm not here to flex. I'm here to tell you that learning AI was one of the most important things I've done as a young entrepreneur. And I wish someone showed me this stuff sooner. So let's get into it. I'm going to break it down into 5 things. One, what AI is and why most people use it wrong. Two, Claude and why I switched over from ChatGPT. Three, Claude Code and the terminal. A lot of you probably don't know what that is, but I'll teach you. Four, connectors, making AI actually connect to the real world. And five, how I built Alfred, my own custom AI assistant for my business. Number one, what AI is and why most people use it wrong. Here's the mistake most people do while using AI. They type in a basic question, they read the answer, and then they close the tab. That's surface level. That's leaving about 90% of AI's capabilities on the table. AI is not just a tool you ask questions to, it's a thinking partner. It's a system you build workflows into. It's an employee that never sleeps or doesn't charge you by the hour. Think about what that can do for a business. You could have AI automatically responding to leads the second they come in. You could have it following up with prospects on a schedule without you touching it. You could have it researching clients, writing content, handling repetitive tasks, all running in the background while you focus on growth. That's what AI automation is. It's not robots, it's not sci fi. It's just AI doing the work you don't have time to do. The people who are going to win in 5 years aren't the ones who know how to prompt ChatGPT. They're the ones who know how to build systems with AI. That's a massive difference. And once I understood that, everything changed for me. Number two, why I use Claude instead of ChatGPT. Everyone talks about ChatGPT. It's the one you see on TikTok. It's the one you see your friends use. And it's fine. But once I started using Claude by Anthropic, I stopped going back. And here's why. Claude is better at long, complex reasonings. If I'm building an automation workflow, analyzing a client's business, or strategizing how to set up their system, Claude thinks deeper. It doesn't just give you quick answers, it actually works through the problem. But the real reason I use Claude is because of everything I built around it. Claude has an ecosystem: Claude Code, projects, connectors, and a Chrome extension that turns it just from a chatbot into an actual operating system for your work. For an AI automation agency, that ecosystem is everything. I'm not just using Claude to answer questions, I'm using it to build, connect, and automate. Number three, Claude Code and how to use it inside the terminal. This is Claude Code. Most people see this and immediately think it's for programmers and developers only. That's what I thought too. But let me show you what it actually is. Claude Code lets you run Claude directly inside your terminal, which is this little app right here, which is your computer's command line. When I first opened this, it felt like I unlocked a cheat code. You can type in a task in plain English, Claude figures out what to do. It can create files, run scripts, search the web, and build things, no coding degree required. That means instead of just having a conversation with AI in a browser tab, you can have AI execute all your tasks, read files, write code, and operate directly on your laptop. If you're serious about AI, this is where you need to be. The browser is just a starting point. The terminal and the Chrome extension is where the real work happens. Number four, using connectors and making AI connect to the real world. Claude has something called connectors. Connectors let you link Claude directly to real apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Canva, and it can actually read and interact with them. And let me show you what I mean. I can ask Claude to go into my Google Drive, find a specific document, read it, and then give me a summary. Or use the information to write something new. I can ask it to check my calendar and help me plan a week around my schedule. Now, think about this from a business automation perspective. Your AI isn't in a vacuum anymore. It's plugged into your actual workflow. Reading emails, accessing docs, knowing your schedule. That's when AI stops being a tool and starts being an actual system running your business. Most people don't even know this feature exists. And the ones who figured out early are at a massive advantage. Number 5, how I built Alfred, my own AI agent. This is the part I'm most proud of. And honestly, it's the thing that made me realize AI isn't just a tool. It's a competitive advantage. I built Alfred. Alfred is my own custom AI agent. I named him after Batman's butler. Because just like Alfred, he knows everything about my operations. He runs in the background and handles things so I can focus on the bigger picture. Here's what Alfred actually is. It's a version of Claude that I trained specifically for DA Scales, my AI automation agency. I gave him context about my business, my market, my clients, my goals, and how I operate. He knows my brand voice, he knows my automation strategies, he knows the industry. When I ask Alfred something, I'm not just getting a generic AI answer. I'm getting an answer from AI that knows my business inside and out. I built Alfred by creating a detailed set of files, basically a brain that tells Claude who I am, what DA Scale does, and how I think. And then I loaded it into Claude Code so it's always running with that context. Think about what that means. Custom AI employee built specifically for my automation agency by an 18-year-old running on my laptop. That's where we're at right now. If you're a business owner or an entrepreneur who isn't building something like this, you're leaving money on the table. So to recap, here's what I actually learned about AI at 18. 1. AI is a system, not a search engine. Build with it. 2. Claude is the most powerful tool in my stack right now. 3. Claude Code and the terminal is where real leverage lives. 4. Connectors plug your AI into actual businesses. 5. Alfred is my custom AI agent. He runs with me every day. I'm 18. I have no investors, no employees, no office, and I'm building something real. An AI automation agency that helps me run my business on autopilot. And if you're a business owner who wants to put your operation on autopilot with AI, links in the bio. Let's talk. And one more thing. This video was just an overview, the big picture. In the next videos, I'm going to go deep into each one of these individually. Claude Code, Alfred, connectors, automation, all of it, step by step. Exactly how I built it and how you can too. So if you want those, subscribe, turn on notifications because they're coming. See you in the next one.